Beautiful morning to start our video.
Don't feel so bad. Nobody ever sees me. I'm in everyone's blind spot. Get reckless. Tell me what you
So, oh my god, we gotta fix the black car today. It's not starting, and we got a little touching up to do in Ryan's Evo. I think we gonna touch in the Genesis today as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
Start the video on your
Oh, gonna jump it. So, just in case you've never seen how this looks on the hair.
I don't understand what happens to the fucking lights.
Why'd you make that sound?
Because I left the key on.
Anyhow, alright, let's see. We'll show you everything we're gonna do on that. I probably just gotta clean this, but yeah, okay. Is it not starting? Does not. So, what's the problem with it?
It's a crank. No start.
It cranks, no start.
All the relays. Because the fucking, it wasn't getting fuel at first. Now it's getting fuel. Now the bitch isn't giving me spark. So, there's a lot of ways to do it. They got a spark plug, ground this shit, try to start it, shit is getting sparked. It wasn't. Next thing you know, I had to go back to the fucking coil pack. I mean, not the coil pack. Shit got closed on top. So, crank sensor.
Oh, crank sensor.
Another reason why it won't start.
Alright, so
that's my next move. I'm waiting for that shit to come later on today.
oh yeah, it's supposed to come today.
I don't know why. I was tracking the shit and it was coming from.
Alright, let's see if she cranks. Definitely cranks. It's not turning over though. I don't know if you guys could see, but there's so much pollen in the air. Threes, so much threes. Alright, so we're gonna work on that. As you guys can hear, it's cranking and no startup. So yeah, we're gonna work on this. Let me get back onto. Quick update. It's been like forever since I videoed. Can't remember when. But we're trying to get into the habit of, like, you know, using the weather. Start videoing more. I hope we actually follow up on that. We're trying to yeah, we're trying to, like, you know, go to some more car shows. I still gotta do a lot of stuff on my car. My car is not even close to car show ready. Ryan gotta fix his bumper. So much things has to be done, but we just need time, and the summer should offer some time. So yeah, get it done. Should see more videos. Alright. Of course, you guys know our sponsor, HER Wheels. follow, blah blah blah. You know the scene. Yeah. I'm gonna at the end of the video I'll put his information in, and yeah, go follow it. Any parts you need, it's gonna be right there. If you got any questions, you could ask me. I'll find out for you. You know, yeah. You could use the code Reckless15. That's Reckless, RECKLESS 15. We out here in the junkyard, and we about to get a part for Octavia's Genesis. Go find it. Alright, so the part we're looking for is this part, right on the side of the handle of the door. Yeah, it got dry rotted right by under the screw. So, see if we can find a part like that. We're here in the Hyundai section. Damn. Fix or pass. Oh man, this guy been trying with this car. Sheesh, someone took the door. It's a stick. Damn. Yeah. Got parts in here. Oof. Rip. R.I.P. Stubadoo. So we didn't find the part. Yeah, we didn't find the part. Womp. But she got it cheap on eBay, so let's hope it works.